Guys, 2026 BMW M340i. And the nice thing about the 340i is it's got an inline 6 in it. All right, let me show you guys. So it's got factory cats on it up there. Then the downpipe right there. Then it was into a dual. Then what we did is he bought his own system by Dinan. Part number is right there. D660-0085. Black. It starts from right here. These two clamps. Goes back. Everything fit pretty well. We didn't have any issues other than this hanger over here. It's a little bit higher on top, but I don't think you're gonna notice it when it's on the ground. But Dinan, if you guys are watching, just wanna give you guys a heads up. Go back on the drawing board on this side. Other than that, everything fits perfectly, cleanly. We didn't have too much trouble with it. All right, there's the old system that was on it right there. There's the muffler. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it.
All right, guys, we got a 2022 BMW M340i. It's got a full Valvetronic system on it. It's also got downpipes on it right there. Looks like with a high flow cat. Then single 3-inch goes into a Y right there. Goes dualed out right there on each side. Boom, boom. And then it goes into the Valvetronics right here. That's where it goes in on each side right there. And then that's the bypass that it'll go through right there. Be like straight pipe. Valvetronics design system, carbon fiber tips. There it is right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, here we go. 2026 M340i with a Dinan axle back exhaust, valved exhaust. Here we go. Start. So that's the valves closed. Let it warm up a little bit. Here's sound decibels on cold start. Right at 80. That's the valves you're hearing rattle. Yeah. Once they adjust, it should go away. Or they warm up. Yeah. Give it gas. Again? It sounds choked though, right?
Yeah. Not quite right, I thought.
Yeah. But it's still under load. It's not under load either.
Right.
Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 92. See, once it warms up, it goes away.
Yeah.
All right, open the valves. That was with the valves closed, guys. Yeah, look, it's like... I keep it open all the time. It's nothing. That's surprisingly quiet. They work the best with a downpipe.
Ooh, downpipe, yeah.
Again? It's clean though. I like it. It's not bad at all. Again? That's not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. No rasp whatsoever though.
Right, right.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Again? Yeah. I like them open. Don't ever close them.
Right.
Now you have to drive it in sport 24/7. Which I don't think you're going to complain about.
Right.
Go ahead and back it out, bro. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us for all your exhaust needs. From Dinan to Flowmaster to Borla and everything between. I like that color too. It's different. That's with the valves open, guys. Go ahead and close them. Some tone, but
something, yeah. It's quiet still, huh?
Surprisingly, really quiet.
Yeah.
Again.
What the squeak is?
Yeah, it's the valves. That's how they are on these. Again. Once they settle and everything, it's gonna take them a few tries, and then they'll settle back.
Okay. So that
It's
should
just,
go away.
yeah, it should.
Okay.
All right, let me let you guys hear on the inside.
All right, guys, got a 2022 M340i. Showed you the undercarriage. It's got a full Valvetronic system. We readjusted some stuff, but this is what it sounds like. We're gonna start it up with the valves closed. Go ahead. So it's Valvetronics with the valves closed. Idles like 66. '87 is the peak. And that's what valves closed. Let you guys hear with the valves closed on cold start. So this is valves open on the cold start. Go ahead. Say 107. Still idles pretty low too. That's Valvetronics open. It's the valves open. Close it. You hear a huge difference. That's the valves closed. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, guys, here we go. BMW M340i inline 6, which really surprised me. That might be the next car I get for somebody. I don't know who yet. I want them all with a Dinan axle back exhaust. This is the valves open. It's in sport mode. It's pushing 400 horsepower. That's clean. Wow, you guys did awesome, Dinan. That sounds really, really clean. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy. We are a Valvetronics dealer, guys. If you ever need any Valvetronics, just holler at us. But this is with valves open. A full catback system or downpipe system. Bro, that sounds phenomenal. Beast mode out of the Valvetronic design system.